In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage Google Workspace users efficiently. Managing your users through Google Workspace is an essential skill for anyone overseeing a business or organization. Now, let's dive right into it and explore the step-by-step process to simplify and optimize this task. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. This is the centralized suite of tools provided by Google that allows businesses to manage their email, calendar, and more all in one convenient location. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the admin console. This console acts as your command center. It's where you can oversee and adjust all your organization's settings. Next, you'll need to log in using your business email account. It's important that you're using the correct email associated with your Google Workspace account, because this email grants you access to administrative tools. Think of this as the digital key that unlocks all your management capabilities. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Google Apps menu, often symbolized by a grid of small squares. When you click this icon, a drop-down menu of various Google Apps appears. For this task, you need to select the admin icon, which will open the admin console directly. Within the admin console, there's a crucial section you'll need to navigate to, and that's the directory. Clicking on directory will bring you to a comprehensive list of resources related to your organization's users and groups. Now, let's focus on managing users specifically. Locate and click on the users section within this directory. This brings you to an overview page where all current users within your organization are listed. Here you can perform a variety of functions ranging from simply viewing user profiles to editing and managing existing accounts. This is also where you can add new users. Whether you're onboarding a new team member or transitioning someone within the company, you'll find all the necessary options here. Simply follow the prompts to add users, ensuring that you input the correct details such as their name, email address, and any roles or permissions specific to their position. Remember, a well-managed directory ensures smooth operation and better security, allowing you to control access to sensitive company resources effectively. By keeping your user list updated, not only do you streamline operations, but you also protect organizational resources efficiently. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding and managing users in Google Workspace. By following these steps, you're well equipped to maintain order and control over your organization's digital operations. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and empowering. See you in the next video.